So hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today US 97L is going to become a extremely powerful hurricane on windy.com. So I'm going to show you. So as I move on the first, it strengthens to 40-mile-an-hour winds. But when I go on the second, strengthens more rapidly as it gets near Jamaica. Strengthens into a very strong hurricane. Winds around 50. It moves across the Caribbean Sea. The winds are around 60 miles an hour. So it goes into the Caribbean Sea or Gulf of Mexico. And then it impacts Louisiana pretty hard, just like Delta or Laura. Here's very powerful winds. Like, look, Marsh Island, Louisiana is around 50-mile-an-hour winds. And the Lafayette area gets some pretty powerful winds. And Lafayette, so it says Lafayette will get 63-mile-an-hour winds and 89-mile-an-hour wind gusts. So let's zoom out here. And then let's check the wind gust. And the wind gust is pretty strong and powerful. As it moves on land, brings some hurricane force wind gust. Sunset, hurricane force. Can Crow, hurricane force. Around Lafayette, hurricane force. Church Point, hurricane force. Opelousas, hurricane force. And let's check the rain and thunder. Now this is going to become a major hurricane on land. Let's check the rain accumulation in the next 10 days. The storm's going to bring around 7 to a feet of rain. Let's check the wave heights. So look at the wave heights. The wave heights are 26 feet. That's major. Like the storm surge is like Katrina or something. Here, storm surge is around 28 feet. Wait. Around this area, it's a 30 feet waves. Everyone, we gotta track this dangerous, powerful storm. And this storm's gonna be in 84 to 85 degree waters. And this storm's gonna strengthen rapidly. It's gonna impact a lot of you guys. So check the wind accumulation. Doesn't really show much. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye and peace out.